search for ways to slow down the aging process and keep your skin looking smooth, polished, and supple, chances are you've come across collagen. Why are people losing their minds over collagen? Why do we need it? How can we get it naturally? What foods help us build collagen? Collagen is one of the most abundant proteins in our body. In fact, approximately 30% of the protein in our body is collagen. While it's a nutrient highly concentrated in the tough inner layer of the skin, you can think of it as the glue that holds all these things together. In fact, the word comes from the Greek word colla, which means glue. What does it do in your body? There are at least 16 types of collagen. The four main types are type number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here is a closer look at four main types of collagen and their role in your body. Type 1. This type accounts 90% of your body's collagen and is made of densely packed fibers. It provides structure to skin, bones, tendons, fiber cartilage, connective tissue, and teeth. Type number 2. This type is made of more loosely packed fibers and is found in elastic cartilage, which cushions joints. Type 3. This type supports the structure of muscles, organs, and arteries. Type 4. This type helps with filtration and is found in layers of your skin. As you age, your body produces less and lower quality collagen. One of the visible signs of this is your skin, which becomes less firm and supple. Cartilage also weakens with age. What are the benefits of collagen? This powerful protein is capable of many essential bodily functions, supports muscle joints and tissue health. Collagen's function in your body is to keep connective tissues movable, elastic, and strong in order to prevent brittleness. This keeps our joints mobile and our skin, nails, and hair healthy and less susceptible to damage. Firm skin and lessens the appearance of wrinkles, improves gut health. Glutamine and amino acid collagen can help preserve gut barrier function, may help treat arthritis. Collagen can also be an effective treatment for arthritis, which is a condition characterized by the breakdown of cartilage and certain connective tissues. When do you start losing collagen and why? Humans start losing collagen when they turn around 25 years old, and it becomes more obvious after the age 35. As collagen decreases, the epithelial structures weaken, the skin becomes thinner, your hair is less strong, and wrinkles and sagging skin begin to appear. Also, your tendons and ligaments become less elastic, and your joints lose flexibility. Factors that accelerate the loss of collagen are exposure to the sun, smoke, stress, pollutants, toxins, and excessive physical exercise increase the production of free radicals that can destroy your existing collagen reservoirs. Low hormone production during menopause and aging also decrease collagen production. Health problems with treatment that prevent the body's absorption of vitamins and minerals worsen the effects. Luckily, there is a way to prevent collagen breakdown and boost collagen production naturally. And it all begins with what's on your plate. Which foods increases collagen synthesis and production? When it comes to how to increase collagen, there are three key nutrients to keep in mind. Vitamin C synthesizes collagen. Zinc helps collagen production by acting as a cofactor and activator of essential proteins. Copper will create links within collagen to keep it functioning properly. If collagen is damaged, copper will keep it, help repair it to the elasticity it was as well. Forget Botox, injections, or expensive supplements. Many foods found in nature contain the nutrients required to form collagen, making your diet a weapon against fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Here are 20 foods to eat that promote collagen production naturally. Number 1. Bone broth. If we could recommend only one food to promote collagen production, it could be bone broth. While most foods contain antioxidants and other nutrients to help the body synthesize collagen, bone broth is one of the rare foods to actually contain bioavailable form of collagen your body can use right away. Since collagen types 1, 2, and 3 are concentrated in the tendons, ligaments, bones, and joints, cooking down these animal parts for a long period of time helps release collagen from the bones as well as other amino acids, proteins, and electrolytes, resulting in a broth containing naturally occurring collagen. To guarantee the quality of your broth, try making your own. Number 2. Carrots. Carrots are a plentiful source of vitamin A, which helps repair and restore collagen in damaged skin. Don't like carrots? No worries. Sweet potatoes, apricots, squash, and mangoes are great alternatives. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic is rich in sulfur, a trace mineral that has been shown to enhance collagen synthesis. Sulfur also helps to prevent the breakdown of collagen fibers, so it's particularly beneficial towards preserving healthy skin and joints. Number 4. Fish with skin. Next time you're eating a salmon dinner, you might want to leave the skin on. Fish in general is already a great option as it is rich in the amino acids needed to produce collagen. But ever wonder why a fish's skin is so smooth after you remove the scales? That's because there's a high concentration of type 1 collagen, which accounts for the majority of collagen in the skin. Number 5. Citrus fruits. Here's another fun fact about vitamin C. This nutrient is what helps link amino acids during collagen production. People often consider citrus fruits to be the kings and queens of vitamin C. One medium-sized orange has about 70 milligrams of vitamin C. That's respectable considering the recommended daily value for an adult woman is 75 milligrams. Number 6. Dark leafy greens. Greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and rainbow chard are known for carrying all sorts of nutrients, including desirable vitamin C, but the nutrient that makes these veggies green is just as important to keeping your skin healthy. Chlorophyll, the source of the pigment, may increase the amount of pro-collagen, the precursor to collagen. Number 7. Chicken. Like beef and fish, chicken has all of the amino acids required to make collagen. In general, if you're a meat eater who eats a balanced plate of protein and vegetables, you're probably giving your skin a good dose of what it needs to stay smooth as possible. Number 8. Eggs. Collagen is naturally found in the shells and whites of eggs. In total, egg whites contain 18 amino acids and all 9 amino acids. More specifically, the type of collagen present in the egg whites provides glucosamine sulfate, chondroitin sulfate, hyaluronic acid, and various other amino acids necessary for collagen production. Studies have shown that these substances can help build connective tissues, heal wounds, increase muscle mass, and reduce pain or stiffness. Number 9. Oysters. Oysters are a rich source of zinc, an essential trace mineral that stimulates collagen synthesis and is required for bone formation. Additionally, zinc has been shown to slow down the breakdown rates of collagen cells in granulation tissue, which enables wounds to heal more quickly. Number 10. Berries. Berries contain a nutrient called ellagic acid that has been shown to prevent collagen breakdown from UV damage. Like citrus fruits, berries contain vitamin C, which, as you know, helps link specific amino acids together for collagen formation. Number 11. White tea. White tea may protect the structural proteins of the skin, specifically collagen. It's believed to prevent enzyme activity that breaks down collagen, contributing to lines and wrinkles. Number 12. Pumpkin seeds. Don't have time to prepare a fancy seafood dinner? No problem. Most seeds and nuts are high in zinc, especially pumpkin seeds. Both of these quick and easy snacks can provide a boost of collagen while on the go. Number 13. Cashews. Next time you reach for a handful of nuts to snack on, make it cashews. These filling nuts contain zinc and copper, both of which boost the body's ability to create collagen. Number 14. Red vegetables. Tomatoes, peppers, and beans contain the antioxidant lycopene. Lycopene acts as a natural sunblock, protecting the skin from damage while increasing collagen levels. Number 15. Spirulina. More than 60% of spirulina consists of amino acids, the building blocks of collagen. Therefore, the blue-green microalgae found in both fresh and marine waters is an excellent source of the stuff. Number 16. Almonds. Almonds contain a healthy dose of vitamin E, the most abundant antioxidant in our skin. It serves to neutralize free radicals that are damaging to collagen cells. Vitamin E also coordinates with vitamin C to stimulate collagen formation. Additionally, almonds are a great source of copper, an essential trace mineral required in the formation of collagen fibrils. In short, our body needs copper to complete the final step in collagen synthesis. Number 17. Legumes. Legumes contain many minerals and proteins that will help your skin. Chickpeas are especially great for collagen synthesis because they are rich in zinc and vitamin C. Number 18. Avocados. Another food with powerful antioxidant benefits. Avocados provide vitamin E, which may help prevent collagen breakdown and supports overall skin health. Number 19. Kiwis. Kiwis are exceptionally high in vitamin C, a nutrient our body needs to execute the pre-collagen production phase. In short, vitamin C coordinates with amino acids, lysine and proline to produce hydroxyproline. Number 20. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of omega-3 essential fatty acids. These healthy fats contribute to anti-aging by building healthy skin cells and providing moisture to the skin, which helps create a smooth, supple appearance from the inside out. And finally, in the order to get the maximum benefit from a given collagen supplement, avoid any that contain added sugars, artificial flavors, or preservatives, since these toxins are damaging to the collagen in our body. Personally, we recommended using food as medicine when it comes to boosting your collagen intake. Sipping on a comforting mug of bone broth each morning, trying new varieties of leafy greens, and regularly eating the foods listed above are the most effective ways to maintain collagen levels in your body.
Hit the like button and subscribe and join us on Brain Key. Thank you for watching.